Even if you are a beginner or pro YouTuber, these 7 AI tools will take your videos to the next level with minimum effort. I personally use these tools to create better and best content possible for my YouTube channel. And these tools are completely game changer. If you are also a one-man army who runs his YouTube channel all by himself, be it idea generation, research and scripting, editing videos, dubbing videos in different languages, writing subtitles, audio enhancement, and thumbnail design. These AI tools will revolutionize the way you create content and help you grow on YouTube. If you want to elevate your content with minimum effort, then watch this video till the end because I am going to show you 7 AI tools that are completely mind-blowing. So let's get started. Chatgpt. I know you have heard about this tool, but it's very useful for research and scripting your videos. GPT-4 has just launched, but you don't need to purchase the paid version of GPT-4. The free version will work for you. One thing that's worth mentioning here that you need to be very concise about the topic. What are you actually looking for? And give ChatGPT detailed prompts about what you need and want. And that's how you would be able to get good results from ChatGPT. So recently I created a video about GPT-4 when it was launched, and that video was almost completely scripted by ChatGPT. So let me show you the detailed process about how you can research a ChatGPT. So for example, you want to create a video about productivity and you ask ChatGPT to write you a script about productivity, and that is very simple. But if you would ask ChatGPT, write me a script about productivity tools with a great hook and in a conversational tone, so you would get completely different results. So you need to research about how to research on ChatGPT. If you know what are you looking for, then this tool is very useful for you because it could provide the precise and almost accurate information about what are you looking for. After research and scripting, then comes the editing process. CapCut video editor is very useful for editing your videos even in your mobile phone. It uses AI to generate captions that exactly matches your timeline. Now let me tell you how you can create captions with CapCut. First you would just import the video to CapCut, then you would go to the text section, and from here you would click on auto caption, select English and click on generate, and it would generate the captions for you. That is pretty simple. So then you can edit the caption, and there's much more to do. So if you want to learn video editing with CapCut, then check out my video that is attached with the iCard. Dubverse.io is a very helpful tool for dubbing your audios. So if you want to dub your videos and add multiple languages to your videos like Mr. Beast and widen your audience on YouTube, then this tool is very helpful for you because it can dub your videos in 30 plus languages. So the process is very simple. You would just go to this website, create an account, and then you would upload your video, and then you would select the voice and click on let's dub, and this website will do the rest for you. It's a very simple process. I also have a dedicated video about Dubverse. You can check it out. It's a completely AI based tool that helps you in dubbing your videos. If you are struggling to optimize your YouTube videos for maximum visibility and engagement, then VidIq comes to help. VidIq provides you insights and optimization recommendations for your YouTube videos, and VidIq AI features give you 10 new ideas every single day that relates to your channel if you have a pro version of this tool. So you would never run out of ideas with this tool. So VidIq is very helpful for optimizing your videos and for researching about how your videos are performing, and it could also provide you best SEO optimized titles and description, etc. It uses AI in generating titles and descriptions, so you can write your titles and description with just one click. If you want to create stunning videos without spending hours editing them, InVideo.io offers a range of AI powered video editing tools such as auto voiceover, text to speech conversion, and automated video creation. You can also use their library of pre-made templates and images to create engaging videos. You would just go to InVideo.io and then you can create videos with just a few clicks. So for example, you already have a script of your video that you generated using ChatGPT. You would just copy the script and then go to this website InVideo.io. Here you would just click on text to video and then you would paste the script here and then nvidia.io will generate a complete audio and video for you. And it would completely align your video with your audio with the help of AI. If you don't like something, then you can change it as well. You can find 1 million plus videos and images in stock media. And if you want to create professional sounding voiceovers for your YouTube channel, then you could not find better than Adobe Podcast voiceover. This is a AI tool that takes your audio to the next level. This AI tool will completely reduce noise from your videos. You would just upload MP3 file on Adobe Podcast voiceover, and then it would completely generate a professional looking podcast voice for you. It would completely reduce the noise, friction, etc.
Open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. A conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
I use this website for my audios as well. And next up, Canva. You have heard about it. I use Canva for creating all of my thumbnails. Canva is a free and very useful tool. Canva offers a wide range of designs and pre-made templates for creating eye-catching graphics and thumbnails for your videos. You can easily customize your designs and make them your own. So the best AI features here on Canva are background remover. So you would just click on PG remover and it would automatically remove the background from your images. This is very useful. This AI tool even removes the complex backgrounds as well, and there are many other AI tools in Canva as well, like text to image generation. You would just simply write a prompt in Canva and then you would click on generate an image, and it would generate an image for you. And another AI option that is very useful here is you would just simply click on edit photo and then you would click on magic edit. You would just select the image that you want to magically edit. For example, I want to just select this head, and then I would write grow hairs on the head, and then you would see that there are hairs on this man's head. So that is very useful. You can magically edit anything, any photo and any image with this AI tool. So that's it. These were the 7 AI tools that I wanted to share with you, and these are very useful. So check out these tools and let me know in the comments which one you like the most. And if you like this video and if you have come this far, then check out this video over here that is about how to create your thumbnails with Canva. And here you can see how you can dub your videos in multiple languages with Dubverse.ai. So that's it. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.